Look, the system's been lying to you about global manufacturing for decades. You've seen the hype. Offshoring is gold. Global supply chains are unbeatable. Cheap labor everywhere. Guess what? Those days are ending, and if you're still stuck playing by those old rules, you're already behind. The pain you feel right now, delays in shipments, skyrocketing costs, political chaos, customers losing trust because you can't deliver. That's not random. It's the fallout of a system built on shaky assumptions that don't hold anymore. But here's the real kicker. Nobody's telling you how to fight back. They're too busy repeating the same tired scripts, expecting miracles. You're facing a brutal question. How to keep your business alive when the global manufacturing era you depended on starts collapsing. This isn't about whining or hoping things get better on their own. It's about grabbing control before someone else does. First, cut the fantasy that scaling means just pushing production overseas and hoping for the best. That's dead. Instead, rethink how and where you make things. Split your manufacturing across multiple locations. Yes, diversification is costly, but the price of being stuck with one supplier in a risky country is way higher. Next, invest fiercely in automation and smart tech. If you rely on cheap labor as your edge, you are done. Machines, AI, and data-driven production are your new battlefield, not optional. Mandatory. But it's not just about factories. You have to take control of your supply chains like a hawk. Stop trusting old partners blindly. Build direct relationships with raw material suppliers. Get in the trenches of logistics. Use real-time data to track every step of your product's journey. If you don't have that kind of visibility, you're flying blind in a storm. Now, here's the part most people miss. Turn your manufacturing strategy into a weapon for flexibility, not just scale. Think of smaller, local, or regional hubs that allow you to pivot fast when politics, pandemics, or shipping costs explode again. This isn't some fluffy idea. It's survival. And on top of that, build a culture inside your company that's obsessed with innovation, fast iteration, and relentless problem solving. If your team is stuck waiting for orders to come or just executing, you're cooked. Leaders, make this change your holy grail. If you get this right, you're not just surviving, you're setting up a new kind of global game. One where you don't get caught in the next wave of disruption. Where you can actually deliver to customers faster, cheaper, and with more reliability than your competition who's still sleeping at the wheel. Bottom line, the era of depending blindly on low-cost global manufacturing is over. The world's changed. Politics, technology, and customer expectations have flipped the script. The only way forward is brutal clarity, fierce control, and smart, flexible manufacturing systems that respond to reality, not old myths. Stop waiting for the world to fix itself. Build your own system. Connect directly with the best people, the smartest tech, and the fastest networks everywhere on the planet. That's how you win now. No excuses, no delays, just act. The clock's ticking and the future isn't waiting for anyone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.